State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County and south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County and south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County and south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County and south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County and south-central Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Williamstown to near Pillsburg and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Elizabeth Townsend, Columbia, Camp Hill, Mount Joy, Almira, New Cumberland, Wingostown, Inola, Sterling, Red Hot, Enfield, and Lemoyne. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 232 and 276, Interstate 78 between mile markers 0 and 7, Interstate 81 between mile markers 64 and 95,